Hey guys, another quick video. I still need to upload the one about doing the red throttle and brake aluminum handles from Riva. But anyway, just installing this is my 2022 RXTX, installing the cup holder attachment. It didn't come with it. And anyway, I watched a couple other videos. I want to tell y'all. So you'll see, just like on this side, you first take out this plastic pin. All you need is 2 flathead screwdrivers, or really one, just pry it up and then it pops right out. Then you'll take this out with a T-style star bit, and then the panel just pops. You take it, you pull up the back and then pull it straight back. This comes out. I don't know what year they started this, but there's templates you can print online to do this that you'll see other people talking about. On mine, actually, all you had to do was look at it, and it has the holes pre-molded into the plastic. Like, it has spots for you to drill, and they were perfect. I just did it. Didn't use any template at all. Just, it had the spots where you're supposed to put the screws on the back, molded into the plastic. So took it. I actually used a 5/16 drill bit first, and that was big enough for all of it. And it says use a 3/8. I just think I didn't want any wiggle room. And so the 5/16 bit got me what I needed for there's little bitty inserts on part of the bracket that slide into the holes once you drill them. And then it comes with the supplied screws that just screw right into the plastic bits here. So anyway, it's super quick. All I had was the drill bit. I used a little razor knife here to clean up the plastic bits after I drilled through. And then that's a 5/16 socket that I use to tighten these up by hand. I wouldn't suggest doing it with your impact driver or drill because, you're just putting screws right into plastic with no washer or metal, so it would be easy to strip it just with something powerful like that. But yeah, real quick, pulled the panel off, drilled through the holes, stuck these on, ready to go, man. Gonna just slide it right back on. Thought I'd make a quick vid of that. For anybody that's got a 2022 or newer, I would expect on this GTX style hull that you would be able to do this. So this should just pop back in and I'm done. Thanks.